Hello Curvy lovers! Welcome to another amazing video. Today's video will be very interesting. Today we will talk about Leicht Perlig. But guys, please watch the whole video and like, comment and share. Reason my channel is very down. In this video, I will show you the fashion style of top plus size model in the world. So let's start. Leicht Perlig, known as Soft Sparkling, is a captivating social media influencer and model from Germany. With over 3.9 million followers on Instagram, she has made a significant impact in the world of fashion and body positivity. Born in 1990, she stands at 177 centimeters and weighs around 70 kilograms. Leicht's journey began with her stunning photography and bold fashion choices, which quickly attracted a loyal fan base. Her content is a mix of glamorous outfits, lifestyle glimpses, and inspiring messages about self-love and confidence. As a brand ambassador, Leicht collaborates with various fashion brands, leveraging her influence to promote body positivity and inclusivity in the fashion industry. She also has a growing presence on YouTube, where she shares her creative process and personal interests, including fitness and cooking. In her free time, Leicht enjoys reading comics, hiking, and exploring the outdoors, showcasing her adventurous spirit. Despite her fame, she maintains a level of privacy about her personal life, focusing instead on creating meaningful content for her audience. For style inspiration or to follow her journey, check out her social media accounts at Soft Sparkling on Instagram and TikTok. Thanks for watching, and remember to embrace your unique beauty, just like Leicht does. See you in the next video.
Too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look